Shadowing Practice, Simple Present. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily English Conversation. Today, you will practice English with me. We will use simple present tense. Very easy, very useful. Listen first, then repeat. Don't worry if you are slow. Just do your best. Let's start. I wake up early every day. I open my eyes slowly. I get out of bed. I make my bed. I drink a glass of water. Good job. Keep going. You are doing great. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I look in the mirror. I comb my hair. Nice work. Your English is getting better. I wear clean clothes. I go to the kitchen. I make breakfast. I eat simple food. I drink tea. Excellent. Keep speaking. Don't stop. I check my phone. I read the news. I pack my bag. I take my keys. I leave my house. Great job! You sound more natural now. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus. I get on the bus. I sit near the window. I listen to music. Amazing! You are improving every sentence. I arrive at work. I greet my coworkers. I start my work. I check my email. I write messages. Keep going. You are halfway there. I take a short break. I drink some water. I talk with my coworkers. I eat lunch. I relax for a while. Very good. Your confidence is growing. I go back to work. I finish my tasks. I clean my desk. I check my schedule. I leave the office. Nice! Your speaking is getting smoother. I go back home. I change my clothes. I take a shower. I cook dinner. I eat with my family. Excellent! Stay focused. You are doing great. I watch TV. I use my phone. I read a book. I go to bed. I sleep well. Incredible! You finished all 50 sentences. You did an amazing job today. Practice again tomorrow. Repeat these sentences every day. Remember, listen. Repeat. Speak. Don't think too much. Just speak naturally. See you in the next lesson.